Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can trade stickers in Monopoly Go. So it's pretty simple. So after you open Monopoly Go, you want to click on the album icon at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on album, all of these over here is your sticker. You want to choose which sticker you want to sell. After you choose the sticker you want to sell, it's going to show you multiple stickers. So one sticker has multiple variation. Once you click on the sticker you want to trade, you want to choose which sticker. So I'm going to choose this sticker. Now once you choose the sticker, it's going to show you this, send to your friend. Now you want to click on send to friend. Now remember, you need to have two stickers to send one to your friend. If you just have one sticker, you cannot send it to your friend or trade it with your friend. You need to have multiple stickers. Then only Monopoly Go is going to allow you to trade stickers with other, alright? So I have two of this sticker, as you guys can see, +2. That's why I can trade this with my friend. Once I click on send to friend, it is going to show me the list of friends which I have on Monopoly Go. And I can click on send right beside the person's name to whom I want to send the sticker. After I click on send, the sticker will be sent to the person. And the person to whom I send the sticker can send me a sticker as well. And that is basically how we guys can trade stickers on Monopoly Go. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future Monopoly Go videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.